Oh, hello. Mic on है. Hello, friends. Welcome you all to Green Wallet and Citizen Justice Forum video channel. Our mission is to empower citizens of India legally, socially, and financially. So, financially, we have made one more channel that is called Green Wallet, and we discuss the turning point of the market from where you can see a downfall or where you can see a bull face. So today's market, as I was telling you for the last 3 4 weeks, if you go back and see my videos, that the structure of the chart is showing that the market is going to go down further. And today it has given us an indication that market is in a bearish phase. So when you are in a bearish phase, so on every rise you sell and then you buy when it comes down to that level. So we'll understand that. But before I go any further, we have a ritual that is called disclaimer. So you have to pause the video and read the disclaimer. So whenever you want to make any decision of buying and selling, you have to take advice from SEBI registered advisor. Now, question here is the SEBI registered advisor will give you an advice. He will analyze the script, right? That they are fundamentally strong. But any script doesn't go at one go from 100 rupees to 200 rupees directly. It will come down, then it will go up, it will come down, and it will go up. So that phase it keeps up and down. We, as a technical analyst, based on the chart, we can give you that this is the turning point, this is a good level where you can enter your script, which is suggested by the SEBI advisor. Or we can pick a good, scripts of small cap, which is going to be turnaround, and you can make good amount of money. But there has to be a system which has to be followed to make money in the stock market, and that is called discipline. If you don't discipline and you don't follow, then definitely you are going to lose money in the stock market. So now we will go to the first, what you called the international market, that is called Dow Jones or S&P 500. So we'll discuss that S&P 500 first. Now, can you see this S&P 500? It had a gap down and now it is slowly coming up. But now if you see closely, this level, right, was the support level and there was a gap here which it came down and filled. But even this green candle does not give me an indication that all negative points have turned into good and now there will be a bullish phase. If I closely look, it is that there was a formation of M. From here again it went up and there was a formation of M. So this neckline was broken. Now this neckline is broken. So I'll have to wait for the market. I can see the market up to 4081 level. There may be another 200 points or 4134 100 points. So there is a correction which is expected in the international market from this current level. Now, if I go to make a channel, a parallel channel, from this level, it started coming down. So I will draw a parallel line. What does this give me? That it is moving in a particular channel, right? To be more precise, if I start this channel from this level, so it is giving me an indication that the market can come to this level, and it is this level, and then if it breaks this peak, if I tell you, I'll make it more thicker for you so that you can see it on your mobile and the laptop. So if this peak is broken and there is a closing about this, then we can say the trend has changed and now it will be an uptrend. Till then, the market will remain in a very narrow and it will be on the bearish phase. Now we'll come to the our Indian, that is state trigger. So this is our Indian trade target. Now in India, I can see a blood path. Can you see this? And my entry points are already there. I've already put an alert that when the price comes here, I'm going to be a buyer. So this is how it is going to work. And today's a very big bearish candle gives me an indication that all is not well. Now I have one tool here in Trade Tiger. It is called pencil. See, this was the level from where the rally was initiated. It went up, then it came down to here, and from here it went up to here, and now it has come down over here. So can you see this? This level, the neckline of M is broken and it is going down. So I can see a further fall up to 18,730 odd levels. So I should be a buyer. And why I should be buyer? Because from this level, consecutive 4 days, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the prices started going up. Can you all see? Till here. Then there was some correction here, then it came down, and then it was here. So now this is what you have to keep it in mind, that you have to follow a system and a method where you can, minimize your loss and maximize your profit. Then you will become a winner and you will make money in the stock market. Now we'll close this chart and we will go to Nifty. Now in Nifty, if I see the changes, Adani Enterprise 3.56, Hindalco 3.19%, that is the fall. So there was a great fall in the market. We don't want to see. Now what was open today? Everything is in red. Red, Adani opened at 2397 and it closed at 23908. So there is a fall of almost 100 rupees. Now we come to we'll change this. So if you see in Nifty 50, there were only two scripts which were positive. All 48 scripts were negative. That is Bajaj Finance 0.38% and M&M 0.44%. So let's click Bajaj Finance. What does Bajaj Finance has to say? Bajaj Finance is still in the uptrend. Yes. And if I go to the weekly, even weekly, it is giving me an indication that it is in an uptrend. So in in Bajaj Finance, this is the level if I want to enter, that is 7,647, right, on a weekly. If it comes further down, I can enter this level, or if I want, I can minimize my loss and maximize my profit by fine tuning it over here. What I will do is I will take an entry, you know, where it comes into this level, that is almost 7471. Then I can have my entry point over here. It's a long term. Then stop loss below this. Stop loss is very big, and target somewhere above this. So what ratio I'm getting? I'm getting it 1 is to 2. Yeah, I'm losing 1 rupees, but I'll be making 2 rupees. So I can start buying this share when it comes in this level. And if I want to fine tune it from weekly, I'll go to the daily and find a very good level still further, right? So this is where I can go into the daily chart and minimize my loss and maximize my profit by clicking this way. So because I'm getting a good bounce, very good bounce from here. So my entry for Bajaj Finance will be at this level, stop loss below this, and I can have a target above this. So I'm getting 3.9 ratio, so I'm losing 1 rupees but making 4 rupees. If I reduce my target to here, then also I'm losing 1 rupee but making 3.55 rupees. So this is a good level. I will put one buy order over here and see whether if I can get the opportunity to enter into this trade. So I'll say send OTP and I will book. This is one, and I have unlocked it, and I will book. I will buy only one share, and this will be an investment, and it will not be in bracket order, normal order, and it will be valid till November 22. So as and when it comes into this price in till November 22, the stock will be purchased, the script will be mine, and then in the evening when I'm taking a review and I see the global market and Indian Nifty, then I can decide whether I want to buy more or I should cut my loss and reduce my loss and book a loss. So this is how it is now. The best way is now, because tomorrow is Dasera, the market will be closed, but I will find out which script in the small scale we can, buy for a long term gain. So I will go to the IOB, Indian Overseas Bank. Let me see what IOB is doing. I'll remove this feature. Here it is, Indian Overseas Bank. See, I already marked two levels over here. So I will wait for it to still further down, come down. This is my weekly demand. So what I will do is I'll place an order over here. My stop loss below this level. and I can have a target at this level. So I am getting exactly, if I buy at 33 rupees, my stop loss is at 29.40 50. I will just 95, exactly 28.95 will be my stop loss. So it is not in a what you call a round figure, 29 rupees. And then my target here is perfect. So if I take 100 shares and by chance if I'm losing, so I'll be losing say 450 rupees. But if I am making money, I'll be making 1,400 rupees approximately. So this is how you have to minimize your loss. This is your loss potential and this is your profit potential. So this way you will start making money. So now I have one more webinar that is on Citizen Justice Forum. So we'll see you there in Citizen Justice Forum, and tomorrow we'll have more time. So we'll analyze all these 50 small cap shares, where to invest and where to, because the market is going to turn, it's not going to fall forever. So whenever it is falling, we are there to buy at the good levels at the wholesale price and sell it at a retail price. So we will buy directly from the wholesale market and sell it retailly. This should be our motto to make money in the stock market. I hope you will all have enjoyed this session and see you again tomorrow in both the session in Green Wallet as well as in Citizen Justice Forum. Till then, take care and be safe.